Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Volvo V70. So this is our 62 plate Volvo V70. It's the SE Lux D5. It's had one owner from new. It's got full main dealer history, 12 stamps. Cambelt was done back in 2021. Whilst on our care, we've taken care of all advisories on the MOT. So you've got a fresh MOT with no advisories and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. You've also got 4 matching Continental tyres, all with loads of tread left. Overall, the car's in good condition for the age and mileage. A couple little marks on the bodywork here and there, but it really has been very, very well looked after. Inside, got the heated leather seats in the front, electrically adjusted driver's seat, AM/FM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, aux input, ice cold air conditioning, steering wheel controls, cruise control. It's all looking in good condition. A little bit of wear on the driver's bolster, but nothing major. It's the D5 engine, 5-cylinder, 2.4 litre diesel with a manual gearbox, which is a bit rare. Loads of legroom in the back. These are wonderfully practical cars. And you've also got that famous huge boot to match. These cars really are fantastically practical. Class leading, I'd say. Ever such a nice motor. Really does look good. One owner from new. Full service history. Ready to go to its new owner. As always, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.